Employees want their workplace to be more than just a building. They want spaces that connect them, inspire them. AVI-SPL Smart Spaces are turnkey meeting technology solutions for every team and every space. AVI-SPL partners with the leading technology providers to give you proven meeting room solutions that are ready to go. We deliver spaces that are simple, standardized, scalable, and serviceable. End users benefit from simplified user experience, reduced downtime, and increased productivity. Leave the technology to us so your teams focus on keeping their competitive edge. Need a quick brainstorming session or project checkpoint? Huddle spaces allow your staff to easily connect with direct and remote employees for efficient impromptu meetings. A larger, more formal meeting. Our conference rooms are agile and adaptable to the modern workplace. High-fidelity audio and video, and secure content sharing, so nothing is missed in the meeting. Our open layout collaboration spaces with large interactive boards allow for flexibility in creative problem solving while sparking innovation and engagement. From classroom style to standing room meetings, this space embodies the modern meeting room. Digital workplace transformation is underway in every space, and AVI-SPL is your partner, dedicated to bringing your vision of a better, smarter, and more innovative workplace to life.